Sebo.
And most of us only know one.
I guess it's to your president Uganda.
Asa tutiwe marika maya maitu ri.
We know the one and only.
Mundu giathanite kuma 86 ri.
Yes. And right the 6 men miaka igana this year.
They should be
That is what? That is 6.
That is 6. No, 38.
38?
Yes.
No one had marona the 40. Na masi airo agiathana. Yes. So there's a whole generation, I think, two. Yes. Sio Yoweri Kaguta Museveni
as the president
of Uganda.
Onavia muda wake na VAT nilionete video raturendaga ena VAT athiuruka muda wake aki supervise ng'ombe ciake kuheo dawa cia njoka.
Rio ne free time yake.
Yes.
Have you administered this one? When I give this one? Yes.
Wapi munge?
Where's Muhosi?
Asiete maletwa.
Where's Munge? But give him a dose. Yes. Where is the musician?
Sasa mwenyewe mahitaita na nake.
Mara shidanagira.
Where's Bobby Wine?
Bobby
Wine is, unajua this ng'ombe is called Bobby Wine.
Kona kichwa ngumu.
Kuna kichwa ngumu this one. So give it double dose.
Na Kaguta because the buck stops with him in Uganda.
Kore gutihara guku.
Abana. Kama tigo kwa. Ate president Ruto kwaria mukanjia kungamba ngenge.
Kore ane mukuona rukungu.
Mnakuanga na jokes sana.
Sana.
Mnakuanga na jokes. Ati president anaongea mnarusha. Uganda. Yes. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. You see their biggest prison facility tiare utorni ya 1927 gwako
ni nguru
nigetha for easy understanding kametere ukao
njera ya were nene.
Yes.
Ta kamete guku bururi.
Yes.
Eto Ruzira. Ruzira prison. Yes.
Eko horo cia Lake Victoria, you know, we share the lake. Iria riu ri Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Tanganyika. Riu ni arahetokirie kou njera weriri. Imomoro gwakwo engi to ino ni yakura muno na gweciria ni maona tengenjia gwatuka ahungwa more.
Ni maona ringiongererwo tuthege itunge makiria maturia ina tu
bana riu kuragituika riu ni kuiguo thi makengi ino nayo ri ni marite na kambuni ya mucere etagwo Tiang. Yes. Tiang. Moke macenjia haria njera werari hatuike riu mukawa wa gikiro kia njataichi 5-star hotel.
Kawa kifahari.
Yes. We remove the prison, we bring the luxury.
We take the prison interior.
We take the prison interior. It's not good for prisoners to have a view
of the lake.
It's unfair. We don't have the view ourselves and we are free. And then the prisoners, they get the sea breeze. They cannot live by the shores.
They cannot occupy a beachfront.
And the beachfront property is for the elite. Initially, it was because there were many crocodiles. So if you escape, the crocodiles would work on you. Now they are no longer there.
Riu njera cenjio.
No itene riu. Njera yaigitwo hau tondu waruga mai ni ukiura.
We ni saka ibote.
Inyangiria cia koroko. Cia kwea hukumu hau.
We ko ne gwitoma rugongo rimwe.
It was the same case with Manyan. Yes. Manyan yogia umire ure. Ona duatengeragia.
Asa. We ni wanyama wana deal na wewe.
We muruthieta o man eaters. Yes.
Ushughulikia.
Yoka yathiuruka ku na soti shika.
Kamwe kageria kore.
Soti shika na toothpick.
Ekuonie.
Werago githio horo. Ole makiwete ni megucenjia njera yo magia keng
Na haha hena njera make mukawa wa kifahari.
Wa kifahari riu wa thirikari.
Of course, it's government property. Yes. So that when visitors come, they can enjoy the lake better than the prisoners. It's not good for criminals to enjoy so much privilege. And they are offenders.
And they are fed by the government.
We feed them. We give them even soap to bathe. And even give them beachfront property.
And we buy clothes.
So we are going to move Rosina. Rosina must move. And I would also like to advise my friend Ruto. You see, property in 44 is very expensive. Move committee. Take it to where land buying companies are selling 80,000.
Oi, well.
And in that beautiful place, build a hotel, so that we can have an East African, agreement.
And beautiful homes.
Beautiful homes, because you cannot have a prison in 44. Whereas that is very expensive.
In a very prime area.
Take the prison to somewhere near Moyale.
Or Magadi.
Where prisoners can only sing a mia. On those sides of Sorio, uko juu kabisa.
Gũkũ no twambe tũmake tũngĩigua ũguo.
Gũkũ no kwambe kũritũhe tondũ andũ mangiunanĩra igoti-inĩ magĩthiĩ kũrũgamia ũhoro ũcio.
Ya kũrũgamia. Tũtirĩ na ũma no ũthiĩ na ũtheri.
That is the issue.
Ata kuigua. Rĩu turakũrehera Kĩmathi phase 2.
Buroti maguta.
Phase 1.
Neviru.
Noko no mwaka ningĩ gũkũ at least wega wa gũkũ rĩ nĩ kũrĩ processes rĩu kũu nĩ njũĩ mũcebu ndanoria mũno
kũrĩa mũnene auga nĩ auga
kamĩtĩ nako ke mũgũnda mũnene we
no actually bũrũri ũyũ wa Ngohe department ĩtigarĩte mĩgũnda mĩnene nĩ prisons
and railways yes acio erĩ nĩ marĩ mĩgũnda
ng'ũndũ
prisons railways na KBC nĩ ũrarĩrĩria gũikara kũndũ macemo nĩ mĩcemania ya East Africa no kũigua gĩburuta idea
we have moved our prison. Where is Ruto? We have moved ours inland. Yes.
Uko interior.
You see, criminals wakae huko. Those crimes of the state, they go interior. We sustain the rake. You should consider the same for Shimoratewa. Take them to the heart of Kwale.
Or Tana River.
Tana River, where they have crocodiles. In case they escape, the crocodiles will have them for dessert.
Very Shimoratewa.
And we have actually discussed that with the Kagame. He's also going to do the same. So it's you, Ruto, and Mama Samia. Mama Samia, you can also move the Magufuli moved the state house. You can move the prison as well.
You are the boss.
Because you see, our prison has become old. The prisoners can just knock on the walls and they collapse.
And they're overcrowded.
They're overcrowded and they eat very well, so they are strong men. So we are going to build an ultra-modern one with the dormitories and, that one that goes up.
Na mahali mtakapoweka hiyo hoteli itakuwa ni ya nani? Unajua nataka tuelewane. Tujue hoteli itakuwa ni ya nani.
Mnaweza fanya affordable housing.
So the hotel will be affordable. It's our version of affordable housing. Because it's like a cup of tea there will go for around 3,000 Uganda shillings.
That is affordable.
Hiyo sasa ni nzuri.
You know you also have a hotel, so...
Sevo, are you trying to say that the hotel you are building will be yours?
Well, there's no problem if I own a section. The side where they sell drinks can be mine.
No nake Kagame. Tiga ni kule oneka emu smooth yo nake no akimoda.
No, nikimoda.
I didn't like your idea. I think I can use that in Kigali. It's a very good idea. I think that is a good retirement plan.
Yes, you are right.
Now you are talking.
Now you are starting to think like someone who is ready to retire. Though me, I will retire maybe in 2047.
Sasa kwetu miaka 10 unamaliza unaenda.
Go where?
Who has the power to tell the president to go?
Sasa katiba yetu ndio inasema.
Who passed that constitution?
Ni wa Kenya.
Wakenya walienda kwa referendum na wakaamua.
Now, who gave them that choice? It should not have been in the choices in the first place.
No, se futa understand. Uria watho ungiuga miaka ĩrĩa
No kũrigĩrĩria gwĩka ũndũ.
Yes.
Na nĩwe koigi.
Na ndũrĩ ũndũ ũngĩka. Na nda understand ũrĩa watho. Ũngĩũka uge ndũnahota na gĩthurano.
You should know the other day discussed Murienda Kotini. I was surprised. Ask Kagame. The courts are for thieves, people who have stolen, criminals.
You are taken to court, and the court overturns the...
Who pays those judges? So we are moving the prison. Yeah, you are welcome. When we visit the hotel, I shall call you for the launching.
Kenya tiraithi uguo. Gũkũ rĩ.
It's a heavy
Tiraithi.
Legislative nightmare.
Kamĩtĩ ĩtuĩke nĩ gũthamio.
So those affordable housing unapeleka juu sana. You can minimize the gorofas ukihamisha kamiti. Because if you move into the affordable housing, you are on the 20th floor. If you move today and go drink tomorrow, you will not find your house.
Let's see how that turns out. Lucy in prison since 1927.
Nau ane ngũrũ mũno rĩu.
Ngũrũ.
Na hau ĩikarĩire no he kũndũ ũngĩ wa bata.
Mo China nĩ egũitĩka kũndũ kũu. Ake mukaba mukuiku. Oh yes.
Na makire njera njerũ. Akĩrĩu.
Ũrĩa gwĩtwo Buikwe. Na mũndũ ũrĩa ũhetwo wĩra ũcio rĩ. Ni minister wa interior. Yes. Etagwo Major General Kahinda.
Andetwo wega. Andetwo wega.
Ele gwetagwo. Nere etwa Uganda they have that name. How woko?
Ela 47.
Mother